Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Missed a spot? See it right there? In the hood, right there.
This every year.
Yeah, I just figured we never found out who the world's fastest car is. Plus, no press, no trophy.
Nerve.
Lightning McQueen! Good job! Thank you so much for having us.
It goes to St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
This kitty came to take something. Huh? Hey, kitty, pick whatever you want.
I hope you have a lovely visit. I'm Polly of the Broomstown Rescue Team.
Oh, the rescue team again.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
I'll take care of this.
Oh, Francesco likes this McQueen. It's really getting him into the zone.
Ready, buddy? Ready? All right, Dan. Get it up!
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
One, two, three. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go!
Man, now I got 30 miles.
And what's gonna happen to all of us if Flo leaves town and closes her station?
Now, gas!
What? So don't...
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
I put McQueen in there. Give you some real competition.
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes! We have a 3.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Oh yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder, kajiga.
I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't Radiator's.
Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Prize when they get their presents. Money!
You, sir, are officially incognito.
enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing...
Push through their own obstacles, tailor-made for each one. Now she's gonna work with you.
Let's go.
A little bit of training.
I knew it! It was a dream! Hey, guys! I just had a terrible dream!
Radiator Springs Grand Prix is about to begin. All spectators, clear the start line.